Focus on Nifty's cautious start as US recession worries, escalating geopolitical tensions, and market overbought conditions weigh on sentiment. Despite potential Fed rate cuts and falling oil prices, expect a volatile session ahead. GIFT Nifty is pointing to a cautious start. The trading theme is still driven by 1. US recession fears. 2. Talks that massive debt that could sink the American empire. 3. Geopolitical, Israel-Iran, tensions escalate. That brings us to the big question of the day. Can Nifty claw back on any intraday panic? We suspect this time it will be difficult for the markets to climb sharply higher on backdrop of two negative catalysts. 1. No major positive surprises from corporate India Q1 June earnings. 2. Overbought technical conditions. We will however spy with one big eye on the two silver linings. 1. Wall Street is concerned about slowing economic growth, but that said the odds of a double rate cut in September just spiked. Fed funds futures now see a 71.5% chance of a 50 basis point cut at the FOMC's September meeting. 2. WTI crude futures fell below $73 per barrel, the lowest in 6 months. Long story short, expect volatility to be the hallmark of the day. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 10074 crores while DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 9156 crores. Sentiments continue to be negative risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are still indicating overbought technical conditions. FANO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 235000 to 24500 zone. India VIX, the fear index ended has shot higher towards 20.37 indicating massive volatility ahead in the markets. Nifty PCR, 29th August, is at 1.38 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th August, is at 0.91. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Nifty, CMP to 4056. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 23,360 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 24,347 mark. Range for the day is between 23,700 and 24300. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 50092. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen at 49,910 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,351 mark. Bank Nifty is likely to trade between 49,500 and 50500. Bias for the day is neutral. The bear is everywhere. The negative takeaway from the ongoing carnage at Dalal Street is that Nifty bulls' confidence has been knocked. The pessimism is such that there was absolutely no place to run and no place to hide. Investors will pray that the sky does not fall from here on. This week, all eyes now will be on RBI MPC outcome on Thursday, 8th August. Q1 results to trickle in today, Tuesday, 6th August, Bata, Bosch, Cummins India, Gujarat Gas, NCC, PFC, Policy Bazaar, Shree Cement, Tata Power, TVS Motors, Vedanta.